Some people doubt global warming is an issue we need to be concerned about. Others don't think it's real. However, this is the minority. 91% of Americans believe in global warming. 97% of scientists believe it is real. I choose to look at the facts and trust men and women who have dedicated their lives to science. Climate change is a change in global or regional climate patterns. In particular, a change apparent from the mid to late 20th century onwards, and attributed largely to the increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by the use of fossil fuels. Let me break it down. Since 1880, the average global temperature has risen 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. This is linked to the CO2 in the atmosphere. By burning fossil fuels and driving cars, we are making the ozone layer thicker, causing a greenhouse effect. Here's the facts. The oceans have gotten warmer by 0.4 degrees since 1969. They have also risen 8 inches in the last century due to the ice caps melting. Greenland lost an average of 286 billion tons of ice per year between 1993 and 2016. And Antarctica lost about 127 billion tons of ice per year during the same time period. Glaciers are retreating everywhere. Snow cover at high altitudes in the mountains has decreased over the past 5 decades, and the snow is melting earlier in the spring. There have been a lot more hurricanes, wildfires, and record high temperatures since 1950. There have also been a decrease of record low temperatures. Since the Industrial Revolution, the ocean's acidity levels have increased by 30%. This is because of the absorbed carbon dioxide, making the ocean a harsher environment for coral reefs and fish to live in. The amount of carbon dioxide absorbed by the upper layer of the oceans is increasing by about 2 billion tons per year. That's a lot of toxic chemicals. Global warming will affect us in the Midwest with extreme heat, heavy downpours, and flooding. This will affect buildings, roads, health, agriculture, forestry, transportation, air and water quality, and so much more. It's clear that this is not an issue we can afford to ignore. We as a nation need to come together and work to stop the rising levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere by finding cleaner ways to supply energy, reducing pollution wherever possible, and planting trees. But that's just the start, not just for our generation, but for every generation to come. If we continue to be such poor tenants on the earth, the damage will be irreversible. As the rapper Lil Dicky said, "We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth. It is our home." Peace.